Hey, how y'all doing? Rashad Gray. This is day 7 of 75 Hard. This is part 2 of my other message. First message was about mental toughness, mental health, how to become a stronger mind, stronger mentality, mental health. This message will be about are you qualified? I know that God sometimes doesn't calls a qualified, but he qualifies the call. But sometimes you gotta be qualified. For me, I'm trying to be an information security analyst. You feel me? So what that means is, what is the gap between where you are right now and where you want to be? You feel me? So for me, I might have to get active security clearance in order to get experience. I gotta get certifications, 2 or 3 certifications to get experience. You know, I might have to pray more. I might have to spend more time with God in the Bible. I might have to do more projects. These are things that I need to be doing. Okay, for you, for me, I want to get the 8-pack. You might be the same level as me. Maybe I got to start cutting calories, taking control and tracking what I eat. For me, I don't really eat bad. I don't really eat burgers or fried foods, especially on the 75-day hard challenge. But I do eat a lot. So I'm going to have to cut down to 1 meal. I only eat 2 meals, maybe 2 to 4 meals a day. So I might have to cut that back to 1 meal temporarily so I can cut my calories drastically. You feel me? For you, you might work out once a week, never work out. Just start with once on Mondays. We're going to work out our Mondays. I'm going to talk about slow. Next month, 2 days a month. Next month, 3 days a month. Next month, 4 days a month. 4 days a week the next month. You feel me? So just do it slow and steady. Like, people be killing me, dog. People be like, oh, trying to get summer body, summer ready. But you got average of 70 summers, average of 60 summers. You got a long summer to go. I'm trying to be sexy for all 70, bitch. I'm trying to be. You see me sweating out here all the time. This ain't no green screen. This is green screen. This is God's green earth. These are real clouds, baby. Look at that. Clouds moving. Clouds moving. This ain't no green screen. You feel me? But anyways, I'm about to finish my workout. Gotta make sure y'all work out. Whatever, you just gotta see whatever the gap is. Like I always say, if you want to be in a relationship, you gotta be more consistent. Like, it's crazy as many people that's inconsistent, lazy, won't pick up a phone call. And I know, everybody say the same crap. People make time for what you want to make time for. If you really made time for a man, you would be married by now. I believe in real. If you put down that cheeseburger, you would have had a 6-pack by now. It's almost August. You know what I'm saying? Stop BSing yourself, bruh. You could lie to your mama, lie to whoever. Don't lie to me. Don't lie to yourself, if anything. Because I can see. As soon as somebody sees somebody that's overweight, I'm going to look at you and say, oh, you don't care about yourself. As soon as I see you with no wedding ring and 2 or 3 kids, 4 or 5 kids running around, I'm like, oh, she been outside. She been for the streets. This ain't judgmental. These are straight facts. I'm using the brain God gave me. God gave me a prefrontal cortex to use to make judgments. So, forget your feelings. Get to the facts. Because behind your feelings, like I say, like E.T. say, there's absolutely nothing. But behind your work is results or something to that effect. But like I said, man, what is the gap? You want to be a millionaire? Okay, when? 10 years, 20 years? Okay, how much you got to save every month? How much you got to save every week? How much you got to save every day? We got ChatGPT. We got calculators. You can figure it out. I think 6 figures is only, $50 an hour. And most people make at least $20 an hour, 25. So you're already halfway there. You got to figure out, do I need to work more? 16-hour days? Do I need to go back to school? What is the gap? If I want a husband, am I consistent? Do I know how to cook? Do I know how to clean? Do I got a bad mouth? Do I got a bad attitude? Do I pick up the phone, or does he always got to call me? Do I text him good morning? Am I nice? Am I my wife? Did I study Proverbs 31? Did I take notes? Do I want a wife? Am I Ephesians 5 man? Am I strong mentally? Am I strong emotionally? Am I strong physically? Have I been to therapy? I'm just giving you ideas and tips. Have I have a relationship with Jesus? Am I out of debt? These are all things and more that I done worked on. Do I have a good relationship with my parents? Come on, man. Playtime is over, bro. But anyways, Shotty Great. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn your notifications on, and share. Because this is some real messages. Might not go viral, but if I could change one life, man, it was all worth it. May God bless you and keep you. Have a great day. Rashad the Great. Be great. I'm out. Let's go.